I'm sorry, mister. We don't do partial tanning.
I don't need a full tan. Just my face and hands.
Why? Are you embarrassed to strip down to your jockey shorts? We get plenty of guys in here. It's no big deal.
No. Never mind. I'll do something else.
Is that who I think it is?
Mitt. How did it go?
Just get in the car and let's head for the Univision interview.
I wonder what that was all about.
I'm sure we'll find out on the news later. You know there are no secrets anymore.
Irving. Why are we watching Univision? I don't speak Spanish.
Don't worry, they will have subtitles.
Do you think Mitt looks funny? His color is not right. He looks orangey.
Hi guys. What are you doing?
Hey Frank. We're watching Mitt's interview on Univision. Do you think his color is right? He looks too tan.
It's not right. See the makeup lines? Too much orange. When I was in the movies I never let them make me up. I always ended up much too green.
Frank is right. He is so citrusy. He looks just like that woman, the tanning mom.
That's crazy. You think he put on makeup to look more Hispanic? If that's it, will he appear in blackface when he speaks to African Americans, or
red when he speaks to Native Americans?
Or green when he comes to speak with us?
Maybe he should have gone to the desert to get a good tan. I did that once. John Boehner has a good makeup artist, but they are expensive.
Mary is right. I bet they spend a small fortune on makeup. It's pretty clear the American people don't know what they're getting.
I wonder who looks at the campaign finance reports. That would be more interesting than the candidates' tax returns. Have you been watching the interview? Mitt's father might be Mexican, and his stand on immigration is very unpopular with the Hispanic community.
Poor Mitt. He doesn't understand that no amount of makeup helps. If you don't understand the voters.
Why are you so excited?
Mitt is coming here today. It's a first for us. A candidate visit.
I hope his doesn't show up as lime green. I hate that color, and besides, I don't like his stand on immigration. And I don't like his running mate. He looks a little green around the gills. At least it's not lime. I hate that color.
Where can I get a good tan around here?
You can put makeup on the man, but what can you do when he opens his mouth?